Assalamualaikum. Good evening. How are you? Hope you are all fine. Welcome back with another video on our channel. So, first of all, Happy New Year, all of you. I wish you a very good and inshallah happy year. Yes. So, inshallah, this year will be a good year for all of us. Our wish come true, inshallah. So, for today I want to say first of all thank you all of you because we are together from last 6-7 months, mashallah. You people support me, you people help me too much. So first of all thank you. Whenever I go outside, me and Anaya, so we see some people, they recognize us. Oh, you, we know you. Nena, we know you. Anaya, we know you. We support you. We like you. So we feel that time too much happy and like proud. Oh, mashallah, the people love us. The people too much take care of us like this. So that time is like, that moment is, I can't describe how we feel. We feel so good that time. And sometimes you people tell me some things and no, this no, do this no, do this. For Anaya, this good. In every step, me, you people guide us. In every way, you people guide us. Also, my team, I want to say to them also, they support me a lot. They are with me very good. We spend this like journey in a good way. Yes. Very good way we spend this journey. Mashallah, I feel so good. So my this previous videos and inshallah this, because today New Year start, like 2022 start. So I want this year I just make my videos on myself. Like I decide this. People I know love me a lot, like me a lot. Also Naya, they love us a lot, too much. But I want that people love me on my language. I don't want that if I go with my teens, I go some artists, then people watch me. I want if I am alone also people watch me. So from today to I want to start this thing, because New Year, so we start new things, so we start new plans. I want that you people support me like this way, which way I want to start now. So now I want to make more vlogs, more videos, more challenges, more games, vlogging, more I want to do. So when people join me on this way and watch me on this way, this will be so good inshallah for me. So I want to start this way. I want to go to not this way. I want that I want to like check this way also. If I go this way, then what the people reaction? So I want to check your reactions. So hope so you people not disappoint me, because which way no I go, you even don't know me, but you people love me a lot. So every day whenever I go, I meet someone, must someone like my subscribers, my friends. Oh Nana, this is you. Anaya, this is you. Then we feel so good. Yes. So people inshallah, when I am this way, then people also join me inshallah. So here I want to look in my some videos when I join the Somalians YouTubers. First time, like when I join Asad, I show you the little. Then I join the team. Then I show you the little. Then from till I am with them all, like with us sometime I meet team, mostly I go their house. So this journey is very beautiful this journey. I enjoy a lot in YouTube. Before when I come new, I didn't think so that I enjoy like this way. That time I said no, YouTube, but YouTube is so hard also. Yes, YouTube is not easy. It's not easy work. It's like too much hard work. Yes, same like other, if you go to other job, we spend a lot of time, our energy. YouTube is like same like this. YouTube also take too much time and too much energy from you. Also YouTube too much hard, I feel this. But yeah, YouTube is hard, but like this you can find, but good peoples. Yes, your subscriber, because when your subscriber supports you, love you, so that time you feel too much proud. Oh, my subscriber is so good, my people love us, so you feel so good. Same, we also, mashallah, feel so good. Inshallah, inshallah, I hope you people give me more love like this in the next my life. Because like me and Anaya are alone, like, so now you are all like my family, you know, my team also, we think like also we family, the team girls like sisters, the team boys like brothers. We never think, we share everything with each other. We never think other like they are like separate people, like they are not like in us, like we don't know before. We think like we are mixed to each other like this, that we know many years, like, but this year just 2021 we meet, and mashallah 7 or 8 months I think so, and still we are together, alhamdulillah. Inshallah next you see also me with them, inshallah, with all my other team members, also with Asad, also with Zamzam, all people. So but I want to start the other ways also. So inshallah we see you more videos, inshallah. And I want to see the people reaction, and I love to read the comments when people admire us, when they tell me, Nana, do this is good, Nana, we love Anaya, so Anaya also feel that I'm so good. Anaya is not this time with me. I don't want she come to with me, because today I have flu, and because yesterday night we went outside for celebrate New Year. So from that time to when we came back, I have flu and fever. So I don't want that she came to near me, because maybe I got some germs, then she also got. So that's why I have some distance from her. She again come in room, she want to talk with me, she want to see me, but I said to her, no, and I go back. Yes, inshallah in 1 or 2 days I will be okay, because I am scared little bit, maybe it's corona, but inshallah hope so it's not corona, inshallah. It's just like because too much gathering, there is too much people, that's why maybe I got some germs, but inshallah everything will be okay. So thank you people also for giving us like this too much love, respect, everything. I want like this love more in my life, respect more in my life, more, inshallah. In few months, in next 3-4 months, I want to reach 100k, and this when possible, when you people more subscribe my channel, more share my videos, more likes my videos, then I reach inshallah 100k. So that's why support me more, then I reach soon 100k. Inshallah before Eid I want to reach in 100k, and inshallah it will be possible with your support. So thank you so much again. So subscribe my channel for more video, and press the bell icon for next video notification, because when you press bell icon, then you get notification of next video. Okay, like my video, share my video, and give me your feedback. Inshallah we will see you next video. Until you people take care yourself, bye bye, love you all my friends, and a very happy new year again. Bye.